Doesn't have an end on the hose, but the air compressor works. I'm trying to go up, I'm going down. I'm going to raise it up some before I go down. That's good enough on me, and I'll bring it all back up in a little bit. I don't have that leg extends way farther out. I didn't run it out very far. They just got the end off the compressor. I can put something in it and verify that it builds up the correct pressure. Like I say, the boxes look really good. They're not rusted out. There's some paint peeling. Stickers are peeling off there. Little paint peeling on the front of them. This one here, as far as the inside, is a little bit rougher. I don't know what they hold, but you can see it really scratched up the dash. And the main thing on the inside is whoever drove it, you can smell like, it's not cigarette, it smells like cigar or pipe. This one is one that has new tires all the way around. It's kind of, we got a gravel lot. It's kind of dusty, but I don't see really anything on the hood to show. It does have new tires. This is the one that's missing the cover. Little bit of stretch in this floorboard, not as bad as I've seen some, but it does have a backup camera. Looks like it's a little bit out of whack. They've spilt something there, got cotter pins stuck to it. Need a little oil on that, stiff. That door's been jerked, it's tweaked a little bit there, it's bent. You can see where it's bowed out a little. I mean, it still works, but they've let it jerk and it's bowed, pulled that a little. Still opens and closes fine. I mean, it don't seem to hold it out at all, but That's for if you're running a single line cable. That there is really just paint gone. It's not rusted or anything. And you said something about you looked like there was some paint touched up. I'm not seeing what you're talking about. Walk around it one more time. Let me, like I say, this one is one with 6 new tires. Little paint chips there on the driver's door. I'm not seeing what you're talking about. Trying to bring in a little. That's pretty much it. Go under here. There's new tires there. Like I say, it is still stock. Stock exhaust. I don't know if you can see much up in there as far as no rust. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Can't think of anything else. I'll get this uploaded to YouTube and send it to you shortly. Oh, before I turn it off, just to verify which VIN it is, 187375. 2014 Dodge.